Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a list of all installed extensions on your Visual Studio Code. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to see or find out all the installed extensions on your VS Code, first open your VS Code and then head down to extensions here. This will give you options for installed, recommended, as well as MCP servers extensions. To see installed extension, choose the first option, installed, here, and this will list all the installed extensions that you have on your VS Code Studio. As you can see, I have a total of 13, and you can see the number here, and I can go through all of them. If I wish to uninstall any, I'll just click on it, or if you wish to see any information pertaining any of the extensions here, you can just click on it to find the details. From here, you can uninstall it, or you can even revert to a specific version. So that's how you can find a list of all installed extensions on your VS Studio Code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.